Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been asked a lot in my comments about what I do for my teeth to keep my smile white and pretty. And I don't go to dentist for my teeth whitening, but I do use amazing products that I really love, and I will just show you today and then I will tell you a little bit about it. Guys, I really love my toothpaste, and I have a few reasons why I love my toothpaste. First of all, I don't need to go to the store to purchase it. I just can order it online, and also I can put automatic reordering and it's gonna be shipped me every single time I need. So I really like this. This way I always keep track of my toothpaste and I never run out of it. And the other reason that I really like, because it's just, sorry, I know it's silly reason maybe, but it looks so pretty. This makes me smile. Yeah, this is a really important reason for me. It's look pretty. I do love pretty things. This is not just regular toothpaste that you can use morning and a day. So they actually did two different formulas. One is for morning and one is for night, because it has different benefits, and it's the best for you to use this one in the morning and this one in the morning and this one at night. So it has some reason for it, and I really love because it's kind of customized more. And even if I maybe have a pretty smile, whatever, white teeth, but my teeth is very sensitive and they are not strong, so I do have to take care of it and make sure I'm using the best products I can. And for me, this toothpaste, one of the best. This is my Hi SMILE Day toothpaste, and here in the back I will show you and I will read you what benefits it has. So this is protective micro shield box. It's also preventing stains from occurring. That means if you during the day will drink coffee or some kind of juice, that will protect your teeth from the stain to get in. I think this is very important. That is why it's for the daytime, right? And then aloe vera to control bacteria. It also has 5 minerals for teeth health, and it is fluoride SLS PEG free, whatever that means. And for me it's very healthy, very natural and amazing toothpaste. As you see, it has minerals that's necessary for the teeth. It has aloe vera, it's really natural. I squeezed it out a little bit and as you see it's completely white. And let me just show how I'm using it. I don't put much, I just put about pea size of toothpaste over here. And I'm just brushing it. Let's now pull out my Night Toothpaste. My Night Toothpaste, it has a little moon over here. So this toothpaste is black. And I'm gonna just on the back read you what it does and why it's black. First, it has an activated charcoal, which is natural whitening. It really truly does help me to keep my teeth white. It also has some kind of clay that I cannot pronounce, and it's a natural detoxifier. And then it also has aloe vera to control bacteria, and it has 5 minerals for teeth health. And the same thing as the day formula, it doesn't have fluoride, SLS, PEG things over here. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you how I'm using my Hi SMILE Night Toothpaste. And as I showed you before, it's black because it has activated charcoal, and I'm putting pea size of this toothpaste. And this toothpaste I'm using right before I go to bed. Guys, this is all about my Hi SMILE toothpaste, and I absolutely love it. I think it's very easy because you just can order it from comfort of your home and you don't have to run to the grocery store. Also, I really like that I do have two different formulas for night and for a day to give more benefits to my teeth health, and I really like to keep my teeth healthy as much as I can. I don't have best teeth, guys, it's really weak and I really have to take care of it hard, but I think this toothpaste really helps me with that. If this video was helpful and fun to watch, please put thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all product reviews and other videos I'm posting for you. Okay, keep in touch and see you soon in my next video.